Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you about how you can change star location in Google Maps. Before we start, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and give like the video, and then you can leave the comment, okay? Open your Google Maps. After that, you can explore and then you can click to the go, and then this is your location, right? Your location, and then for example I will change the location in here. Go to the direction. As you can see, this is your location, and then you can change your location in here. Choose on map. After that, the blue sign, this is your location, okay? But for now I will change my location. For example, I will start in here. Okay, and then you can choose your destination. Maybe you can go to this place, okay? So, and then when you click start, you have change your start location and then go to your destination. So that is the way how you can change your start location in Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.